Hola a todos, my name is Mr Pea y juntos vamos a aprender a hablar en inglés. Hoy vamos a conocer un poquito mejor nuestro mundo, ya que hoy vamos a aprender a nombrar en inglés 35 países con sus respectivas capitales. Por cierto, ¿sabéis cuántos países hay actualmente en el mundo? Hay 194. Si quieres que te enseñe más países y capitales del mundo, solo tienes que darle al like o comentarlo a través de mis redes sociales. ¿Estáis preparadas y preparados? Here we go! The first country is Argentina. And its capital is Buenos Aires. And the following country is Australia. And its capital is Canberra. The following country is Bolivia. And its capital is Sucre. And the following country is Brazil. And its capital is Brasilia. The following country is Canada. And its capital is Ottawa. The following country is Chile. And its capital is Santiago. The following country is China. And its capital is Beijing. The following country is Colombia. And its capital is Bogota. And the following country is Costa Rica. And its capital is San Jose. The following country is Cuba. And its capital is Havana. The following country is Dominican Republic. And its capital is Santo Domingo. The following country is Ecuador. And its capital is Quito. The following country is Egypt. And its capital is Cairo. The following country is El Salvador. And its capital is San Salvador. The following country is France. And its capital is Paris. The following country is Germany. And its capital is Berlin. The following country is Greece. And its capital is Athens. The following country is Guatemala. And its capital is Guatemala City. The following country is Honduras. And its capital is Tegucigalpa. The following country is India. And its capital is New Delhi. The following country is Indonesia. and its capital is Jakarta. The following country is Ireland, and its capital is Dublin. The following country is Italy, and its capital is Rome. The following country is Japan, and its capital is Tokyo. The following country is Kenya, and its capital is Nairobi. The following country is Morocco, and its capital is Rabat. The following country is Mexico, and its capital is Mexico City. The following country is Panama, and its capital is Panama City. The following country is Peru, and its capital is Lima. The following country is Portugal, and its capital is Lisbon. The following country is Russia, and its capital is Moscow. The following country is Spain, and its capital is Madrid. The following country is Turkey, and its capital is Ankara. The following country is United Kingdom, and its capital is London. And the last country is United States of America, and its capital is Washington, D.C. Vamos a repasar lo que hemos aprendido. What is the capital of Russia? The capital of Russia is Moscow. What is the capital of Canada? The capital of Canada is Ottawa. What is the capital of Japan? The capital of Japan is Tokyo. And what is the capital of Kenya? The capital of Kenya is Nairobi. Y esto ha sido todo. Espero que hayáis disfrutado tanto como yo viajando por el mundo. Y lo dicho, si queréis que haga más vídeos de este tipo con nuevos países y capitales, solo tienes que pedírmelo. ¡Nos vemos en el próximo vídeo! ¡Bye bye!